Kwa majina naitwa Tom Ondieki. Mimi ndio dereva wa coach ambaye aliumia. Kwa wakati huu hakuna progress ama hakuna matumaini ambayo nimepata kutoka kwa kampuni, kwa sababu sijapata mwelekeo wowote ama kutoka kwa njia yoyote. So bado naomba usaidizi, kwa sababu ile vikwazo imewekwa pale, mimi mwenyewe ni mnyonge, siwezi nikaziweza. Asanteni.
All right. Thank you very much. My name is Anthony Karumba, of course, the Gen Z's 001. And just like we have always said, we as the young people, the Gen Z's, we have always been people who stand first to advocate for justice for everybody, no matter who they are, no matter their names, and no matter their economic status. Now with us here is actually Tom Ondieki, the driver of coach, the victim of we identify him as a hero who actually lost his hand trying to save 14 passengers who he was carrying in a PSV matatu belonging to the coach employer. Now, good people, last time we came and we actually said our stand as the young people, the Gen Zs and the young dreamers of the Republic of Kenya, that we have only given coach 72 hours. They treated this information with ignorance. Now, good people, we want to explain very well before date 9, because now we only have 7 days to go. And look, this is where the range is. According to the law that they are talking about, the Work Injury Benefit Act, it is very clear that this gentleman, in as much as they are throwing him to the insurance, first of all, they were supposed to take care of all his health care provision right from the day he got the accident. But good people, if you have watched even the video when this gentleman got the accident from the scene, he was actually helped by the well-wishers, taken to the hospital by the well-wishers. And even in the hospital, when we approached the coach and asked to know the side of their story, they said that they actually paid some bill for him of 52,000. But the truth is, and the sister to Tom said it, that they are the ones who paid 52,000 to the hospital, and they were raising through a harambe. Now, good people, this gentleman has gone through a lot. This gentleman saved lives. This gentleman saved even that vehicle belonging to that company. Now, according to the WIBA they are talking about, the gentleman, in fact, they were not supposed to stop him from being an employee because of becoming disabled. But what did they do? When he got the accident and got to the hospital, they stopped his salary. And that is something that even the CEO and the whole management, they have confirmed it. They stopped his salary. When we asked them why, when we asked the gentleman what is the reason, they explained as to why they stopped his salary. They said and they explained to Tom that we cannot continue paying a disabled person who is doing nothing to the company. And that means they had already replaced the driver with another driver to take his position. Their work is continuing very well. Since February this year, coach has been working. The vehicle he was driving, they took it from the police and it's working on the roads with a new driver. The gentleman's life stopped. Now, according to the law that they are talking about, the insurance and everything else, they were not, first of all, supposed to stop his salary. Number two, they were supposed to take care of his health care, which they didn't do it. Now what we are saying is this: we have given you timeline. You failed. Now we want to say this to you, the coach company. Any person who has paid for date 9 December this year, please ask back for your money, because coach will not actually do business as usual on date 9. They will not do business as usual. We have said it clearly. We stand for the justice. We respect the business community very well because they support the economy of Kenya. But we cannot actually watch such impunity happening from people who think that they are powerful, who think that they have money to control everything and deny this gentleman justice. What we are saying is this: now we are counting 7 days. If you have actually paid or booked a bus or anything belonging to Coach, please ask back for your money. We are saying, Coach, we are coming for you. And the management, we have given you more than enough time to respond to this man. Right now, including the prosthetic limb, he don't have it. And you people, the last time he told us that you told him that if he's not going to pick that 1 million, he do whatever he wants. That if he jump up and down, you don't care. But we want to tell you, as Kenyan people, one thing that unites us Kenyans for Kenyans is because we have power of love. And the power of love is drilling us to intervene in this and to make sure he gets his justice. And we want to tell you, as long as you actually operate within the sovereignty of this nation, we the young people, 9th of December 2025, ni sisi na nyinyi, mundu humundu. Itaeleweka this time round. Watu wa Coach, basi zenu, ofisi zenu hazifanyi kazi tena kama mtaki kulipa huyu kijana. That's all we have said. And if you want to treat this information with ignorance, as we have seen you trying to tweet back to us and saying that these young people don't know what they are doing, let us wait for date 9. Let us wait for date 9. Thank you very much. And now let me welcome actually National Coordinator to actually give his remark.
Asanteni sana. Ile wiki jana tuliamshukua huyu jamaa yafaa kupewa mkono, na kama watu ampatia mkono tukao sisi kama vijana tuliwapatia timeline, tukawaambia date 9th kama hawataweza kumpatia huyu jamaa mkono tabidi tumchukue mkono wa CEO tumbadilishe na huyu, na tumeshatengeneza till ya kucollect funds ili ile 1 million alikuwa anataka kumpatia huyu, sisi wenyewe tutampatia ile 1 million, alafu ile mkono wake tumchukue tumweke huyu jamaa endelee na maisha yake kama kawaida. Kwa sababu mlikuwa umetuambia tufuatilie sheria nini kila kitu, tumeangalia ile wiba yale mambo ambayo yanaongea, na tumejua huyu jamaa apart from even being compensated by the insurance, ile company inafaa kumpatia nini, kumpatia salary yake na allowance for 8 years, also kumpatia na artificial limb. Hiyo ndio kitu yenye Tom ana demand yeye. Hata hiyo mambo ya 1 million hajauliza. Kitu kwanza Tom ana demand ni venye atapata hiyo artificial limb, because ajali ishafanyika na hakuna chenye tunaweza fanya. What we can do ni kumreplace mkono. Ndio kwa maana nilikuwa naambia bwana CEO, kama umeona ni vigumu ama umeona ni vigumu kabisa, hawezi kumsaidia Tom, wewe tupatie ile mkono yako tupatie Tom, na wewe tukupatie 1 million, kwa sababu tayari sisi kama vijana tushatengeneza till ya kucollect ile 1 million ya date 9th. Tutakuletea hapo kwa ofisi yako tukupatie 1 million na tuende na mkono. Asante.
Asanteni sana. Justice for Tom.
Justice.
Justice for Tom.
Justice.
Justice for Tom.
Justice.
Date 9, Coach, we are coming for you. Justice for Tom.
Justice.
Thank you very much.